Hey Dynamos, I'm in my mom's closet. No, I'm kidding. I went in my mom's closet and I found what we used to use before there were computers. It's an old typewriter and she's going to show you how to use it because I don't know how.
Hi Dynamos! This is my little Smith Corona portable typewriter. Okay, so it's really easy to use. So you put the paper in like this. And you got to feed it under this little thing so it stays in place. And then, when you're ready to type, you start at that end. Whoops, we're a little too far over. Okay, and then I'm going to type pi space dynamos. I don't know where the exclamation point is. Oh, here. No, I don't know where it is. But anyway, I would put exclamation point on that. So, hi Dynamos, that's what the typewriter looks like.
Thanks for showing us your cool typewriter from the past.
Anytime.
Bye!